thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. Don't get anything
Hey
done, you're
guys,
stuck on my
welcome back
mind.
to my channel. For those that don't know me and that are new to my channel, my name is Jennifer. Y'all could call me Jenny. I'm a mom of 3 children, 1 girl and 2 boys, which in this video you will see my toddler, which he is 2. But let's get to business, laugh out loud. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys some cleaning motivation while cleaning my bedroom. I will be doing a makeover, which I am going to switch my room around. You will see 2 days.
Keep dancing in the moonlight. The shadows cover up my sins. Always smarter when in hindsight. But baby, I don't care to win. Don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling like I wanna say what we had. Won't you come
In the first day, you will see me folding laundry and putting them away. I would like to know, comment down below, how long does it take you guys to fold laundry? Because on this day, I really felt it like I was folding laundry for like forever. I was like, when am mom going to finish folding laundry? But anyways, it feels so good to actually get everything done and down packed. And to be honest with you, it was the best thing ever to just finish it. So right here, I'm actually wondering, how do people actually fold so many socks, and do they separate them? For me personally, I like separating my socks between the kids, mine, and my husband. And I find it easier because, to be honest, like everything is separate and I don't have to like just keep going back and forth to find which one and which one. Because last time I checked, your girl hate folding socks. But anyways, things gotta get done, right? So here you go, folding all these socks and putting them together. Let me know exactly on the comments below, how do y'all separate your socks? Do y'all do it by categories? Or do y'all do it by colors? Or do y'all do it by each person in the household? How do y'all do it? Comment down below. I would love to know. In here, you will see a lot of blankets and pillowcases, towels, and etc. To be honest with you, I really thought that I didn't have that many blankets in there, but when I started folding, oh my lord, it felt like I was folding blankets and towels for like I don't know how long. Anyways, you will see my little one there too, playing around, going back and forth and stuff like that. Kids are gonna be kids. But yes, that's part of being a mom. And on top of that, he's so attached to me. He's the only one that been so attached to me. I don't know why. I don't know if because he's the smallest one. But to be honest with you, he is so attached to me. Everywhere I go, he's always behind me. If I go to the kitchen, if I go to the bathroom, if I go to the room, he's always behind me. But yes, what can you do? But just love them, right? Anyways, you also see my dog. His name is Blue. He's actually not my dog only, he's the family dog. So yes, he's very friendly. You will be seeing him in videos and stuff like that, etc. But yes, back to the blankets. How long it take y'all to fold as many blankets as you think that you thought you didn't had? I would love to know, because to be honest with you, that's one thing that I really don't like folding is blankets. Why? Because they're like so big and so humongous that it's like, okay, what am I supposed to do? But yeah, just let me know in the comments. I would like to know if it's only me, because I always question myself, what chores do I really like? And to be honest with you, I could do everything, but please don't give me laundry. I hate laundry. That's the worst thing ever. I really don't like laundry, to be honest. Um, but anyways, when you have your own house, your own place, everything, and you got kids, and you have your spouse and all that stuff, you know that you gotta get laundry done, and laundry gotta get done. So either you like it or not, that's how I feel. Either I like it or not, I need to do it, because at the end of the day, it has to get done. So just comment down below and let me know, like, what chores in your house do y'all really like the most? Now we on day 2, which means that this is the day that the room gets a makeover, and I am so excited to show you how it came out and how it turned out. And let's get to it. In here, you will see me taking out some shopping that I did. I actually bought some couple of stuff for the bathroom. I got a brand new curtain, some liners, some Clorox, some detergent, because I can't be without Clorox and Pine Sol. That's like the best thing I ever like to disinfect everything. But yeah, I'm here trying to take out all that stuff out of the way to just have more space in the room, and so on and so on. And then after that, I'll go straight to the what is called the dresser, which where in there I am going to be decluttering, taking out all the stuff out of the top, on the top of the dresser, so that I could be able to clean out the dresser from the top and disinfect it and stuff like that. I will also put the link on where I got the machine from, that you will see in a few. And I will put it down in the description. I will just try to put the link in there so that y'all can see which machine I am using to disinfect and take out all the dust and stuff like that. And to be honest with you, I just got that machine and stuff, and it's the best, the best, the best. I can't lie. I actually was able to disinfect every little thing with it, and it take out all the dust out, and that's what I like the most. So yes, let's get to work. So in here you are actually seeing the steam spot, if that's what I'm calling it. Yes, it is the steam spot. I ain't trying to give you the wrong name, but yes, it is. You see how it works? It's like, it's the best, the best, the best. Like, I cannot feel more enough with it than just me actually just getting things done with it. It's the best. The only thing I do is you can add a little bit of water to it. You can add water to it and a little bit of detergent. Don't add too much detergent to it, but you can add a little bit of detergent as you can. And to be honest with you, the steam do the magic. It keeps everything nice and clean and disinfected, and it's the best of all.
Dancing in the moonlight, the shadows cover up my sins. Always smarter when in hindsight, but baby I don't care to win. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby.
Okay, guys, when it comes to this TV, Lord have mercy. This TV is heavy. It's a 55-inch TV, if I'm not mistaken, but that TV is so heavy. Anyways, about the TV. Hey, and y'all just saw all this dust in this TV. I couldn't believe the amount of dust that this TV had in the back. It was insane. When I broke that down, I was like, oh no, like I didn't expect it all this dust. But yes, it was really dusty and no. That TV needed to get cleaned out. So yes, that's what I did. I wipe it down, take all the dust out.
I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind, rewind, rewind.
I didn't want to tell y'all, but I was really mad because I thought that I was recording the whole entire thing when it comes to like moving the room around, moving the shoes from where it was at and stuff like that. But when I became to realize during the editing process, I was like, where is the other clips? Like, where are they? But yes, I am so sorry that y'all wasn't able to see the whole entire process because technically my camera decided to act like it didn't want to record no more. So yes, I was really pissed off about that. But this is basically the final results of how the room end up turning around. And you see it a little different because I wasn't using regular camera, I was using my phone camera. So yes, here you go with my little one trying to take over like always. Want to take my whole entire bed, and yes. But I hope you like this video, and if you do, can you please give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on your notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.